James,
Yes,
I have one question for you.
sure, hit me, bro.
Yeah, so what's your advice? Like in the world of social media and screen, how do you find rest? Like how do you slow down?
Uh, my advice would be you go out in the nature like we're doing today. Take your time off from your screen.
Honey, please
Yeah, that's how you find peace.
go away from me tonight. 'Cause I don't need that love tonight. You can have anything but me. Cause I'll be gone. I'll be gone before the sun comes out. I'd be a little bit lonely, but I'd be alright. I'd be a little bit broken, but I'll be alright. And I know without a doubt that you'll be living with a big old smile. Without me.